Hello, sir. I'm Subiksha, and today I'm going to present our 12-day pilot program, which is based on system design. This program focuses on solving real-world industry problems by combining innovation, technology, and structured problem solving. Our problem statement is from the fintech domain, where AI agents need to perform secure, governed, and policy compliant financial transactions. To understand this, we explored AI agent card by Y Combinator, which provides agents with secure identity, authentication, permission, and communication capabilities. Our project follows the SNS 7 plus 7 framework, which maps seven industry verticals with seven emerging technologies. The seven industry verticals are smart manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, automobile, aerospace and defense, retail and entertainment, and power renewable energies. The seven emerging technologies are artificial intelligence, robotics and automation, data science and big data analytics, IoT, metaverse and digital twins, cloud computing and cyber security, and biotechnology. Using the design thinking playbook, we followed the five stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. This helped us understand the user's problem, generate solution, build a prototype using SNS Workbench, and validate its secure AI-powered payment workflow. As a result, we designed a multi-agent architecture for automated invoice processing, intelligence verification, and secure payment governance while improving our system design, problem solving, and industry-ready technical skills.
Hello, myself Surya, going to explain about our project Zintra. Every day, business receives hundreds of invoices and manually process them slowly, repeatedly, and prone to errors. Financial team spends their valuable time verifying vendors, checking invoice details, ensuring policy compliance, and identifying fraudulent. To solve this challenge, we developed Zintra, Zero Trust Shielding Network for Transaction Risk and Automation, an AI-powered accounts payable automation platform. Zintra Intelligence monitor company emails, extract invoices using AI and OCR, and classifies each invoices into appropriate business categories. If then routes into the invoice to specifies the AI agent that verifies vendor authentication, validate invoice details, detect duplications or suspicious invoices, and ensure complications with company policies. Finally, a supervisor AI combines the outputs from all agents and provides into a single, reliable decision along a confidence score and complete audit trail. This enables organization to process invoices faster, reduce manual efforts, minimize human errors, improve compliance, and strengthen fraud detection. With Zintra, we are defining invoice processing through intelligence, secure, and automation AI driven.
Myself, Lakshman Narayan. This is the overview dashboard, the first screen after you sign in. It's a live snapshot of every moving through the system. At the top, six KPI cards, total invoices, how many are awaiting approval, how many are the auto approved, how many were rejected or flagged as a fraud. Plus the $2 figures, what actually been paid on this month, and how much sitting approval queue right now unpaid. Below that's the four charts, invoices for the time, invoices by status, spending by domain, top vendors by spends. There is also a transaction. You can see all the transactions you've done before and the approval queue. Here you can see which is waiting for the approval and the fraud and rejected which is rejected by our bot when there's fraudulent detected. Vendors, these all are the vendors which is collab with us. And the policies for the each domain, auto approval, limit, budget limit, PO required, and the actions. And also audit logs and the setting screens.
Is the workflow automated enterprise invoice verification and secure payment using multiple AI agents. And this workflow starts with the webhook trigger, which receive an incoming invoice request, and next go to the LLM node, first analyze the request and check whether a valid invoice attached in the LLM node. If a invoice is present, the system extract data from the PDF and use AI to identify important details such as the vendor name, invoice amount, invoice number, and business domains. And then the extracted invoice is then compared with the organization approved vendor database and payment policies using Google Sheets. Based on the invoice domain, the workflow route the request to the appropriate domain specific agents, such that the electronic transport and the foods. And this is the domain based AI agents. Each domain agent verify the vendor validates the invoice, check for fraud or duplicate invoice, and ensure compliance with organization policies. If the invoice is verified successfully, it is forwarded for secure payment through our enterprise wallet and our one-time virtual card mechanism. If any verification fails, the workflow immediately stops and reject the invoice. And finally, every decision is logged and the monitoring agent update the database while sending notification for paid, pending, or rejected invoice. This provides a secure, automated, and a full auditable invoice to payment process.